All right, so we're here with the new prototypes of the new 2024 Keystone line, and we're going to get a sneak peek of a lot of the new rigs that are coming out in the market this year. So let's get started. Thank you for joining us in the sneak peek of the 2024 Keystone Alpine 3011CK. For more information and RV specs, visit www.keystonerv.com and stay tuned for more Keystone 2024 sneak peeks in the coming days. Don't forget to hit that subscription button and give it a thumbs up for good measure. So until next time, safe travels.
Sláinte!